Amr, and today we found these cops over there, and they're like, I don't know, like capturing somebody that killed someone. I don't know. So let's go. So there are a lot of cops here. Don't know why.
From apartment 323, come on with your hands up and identify yourself.
That guy has a shotgun. Oh my god. They're counting to 3 or something like that. I think he killed somebody or something like that.
There's a smell like smoke.
Yeah, it's like the house on fire or something. I don't know. Well, anyways, see you on the next episode. This is short episode. 17 seconds, I think. Even less, I don't know. See ya, bye. Hope they find him. Bye.